Hello, everybody. Welcome to Rocket Hacking University. So, today, RockIT Alert, which is a quantum data science company, would like to share our 95% probability of profit 5-minute block trade algo powered cheat code. It's very simple to trade, very powerful, and we'll cover exactly how to set up, show you examples of trades, and get you set, hopefully help you set up to get started. Now, this strategy is meant for day traders. It's a scalping strategy. Works, you see profit, take profit type of thing, quick in and quick out. Okay. So the 5-minute block trading is equal to 95% probability of profit. So what does that mean? That means, for every 5 scalp trades you make, you have a chance of 95% making profit. So it definitely will keep you in the profit zone when you trade the 5-minute block trade. As you can see, performance from April 17 to May 18, number of trades were 41, wins 29, losses 12. The win ratio is 2.4. So far in this period, it did generate a profit. So it's something like, 3 out of 5 trades. 3 out of 5 trades will definitely be profitable more than the other two you'll lose. So that's what we mean by 95% probability of profit. Now, what are the main characteristics of this 5-minute block trading? What's really powerful about it? That it gives you a stop loss signal generating minimal loss. So you just follow the signals. Be mechanical, don't be emotional. Just follow the signals because it's a strategy, it's an algo that automatically sets you up for minimal loss. And also it provides an opportunity for multi-level profit taking, helping you ride the profit trend as much as you can. So here's a few examples before I dive in and show you how to set up online. You can see on SPY May 10th, this is a 5-minute chart. You had 2 wins, 2 losses, but the net profit was $1.50. So here's another one. Sometimes you get a choppy day, sometimes you get a trending day. You can see this is a downtrend day. One, one trade, and you profited around $2.21. So let's go into how to set this up. It's all described in this PowerPoint here also. However, I'll like to show you how to set it up and show you some examples. So you need only one thing that you need to integrate into your charts. It could be any charting platform, exponential moving average, and you set it to, once you get that in, you set it to 5 EMA. So we set it to 5. This is the critical sort of indicator that you need. And you're all set with the chart. Now, when the day starts, the 5-minute block, you wait for 4 candles to complete. Then you draw a box on the highest and the lowest of those 4 candles. Ignore the wicks. Ignore the wicks completely. Okay. So this is data for May 24th. Now there are 2 triggers. When this 5 EMA crosses the top part of the box, you sell. Crosses below, and when you even sell when it crosses below the bottom part. When the 5 EMA crosses above the bottom part, you buy, you go long, and when it even crosses above the top of the box, you buy, you go long. Those are the triggers, simple. So you can see today here, you would have sold here and you had an opportunity to make a profit. Here, you could have scalped out and got out immediately. Now, one thing, and I'll just show you how we also trade to ride the trend or as much as we can. So here the following, the previous day, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the high of the four candles, and this is the low of the four. Remember, ignore the wicks. Now you can see here, it didn't cross the top part. However, here it crossed the bottom. So you would have sold here. Now wait for this 5-minute candle. Don't enter at 5:23. Wait for the candle to end because you need to understand where the 5 EMA is crossing, whether it crossed or not. It should completely cross the trigger line, the bottom of the box or the top of the box, cross below. So here you would have had one trade, beautiful profits. Let's go to the previous day. You can see. Now, I would also suggest you to do your own due diligence with Bitcoin or Forex or stocks or futures. Do your own due diligence. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this was the lowest of the four. Between the four candles, this was the highest. So this was a no trade day, just chopped. So you would have saved yourself, if you're playing options, theta burn or something. So one more example, 1, 2, 3, 4. So and wait for the fourth candle to complete, the fourth 5-minute candle. So this is the high. Remember, ignore the wicks, and this is the low. So here again, you would have got a nice pump down here, and you would have made very good profit. So you see, out of the 3 days, you already got 3 wins. So this is the power of the 5-minute block trade. Now, once we enter a trade, here's an example. Once we enter a trade, we switch the chart into Heikin-Ashi. Helps us understand better, the trend, the power of the trend. So here we would have rode all along until the low, we would have ridden pretty much good profit here. And then we would have got out here. The first bar, green bar that crosses above the 5 EMA. So we would have got out here and done. So this is how we would take profit. And if it's the upside, for instance, if it's the upside, we would ride here. We would ride the upside. So example in this one, if it's the upside, that's one. You use the normal candles to draw the boxes. Don't use the Heikin-Ashi. So let me here. Here's another example. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's 4. So here you would have gone short, and here you would have put in some money on the table because you would have lost. But remember, always switch your mind and gear. Now here you would have closed this short which you went here for a minimal loss and opened a long. You can also open a long here so it has to cross either the bottom above or the top above. Now I change this to Heikin-Ashi and monitor my trade. And you can see I would have ridden the wave pretty much high until this candle I get red. So this is the way we would have taken profit, but stop loss you don't have to worry about because because it gives you an automatic signal to stop here and go long. So this is pretty much the 5-minute block trading strategy. Pretty simple, pretty powerful. You can download this PDF and there's instructions here step by step, exactly what I described in the video. And here are some examples of how you take the trades. And just explain the stop loss when you take the stop loss, how you can keep riding the trend, etc. Now, one last piece of advice is pick up to 5 stocks, build a price action relationship with it with regards to the 5-minute block, and make sure they're highly liquid so you can get out, get in, with a cent difference, etc. Do your own diligence. This is important. Do back testing. Do it on different instruments. Make sure you get comfortable where you can get in, get out. Start with a small account and build up slowly. Build up your profits and then scale more and more with your profits. So this is a good way to not only trade the edge but develop a better edge over time. So here's an interesting idea, like what this experiment we do. Buy $500, $600 worth of options. Usually we pick a strike price that has a delta of zero point 0.5, usually around in the money, so that there's no theta decay, etc. Now, as soon as we see $10, we get out. So what's the calculation? If you profit $10 a day times 260 trading days a year, you'll realize a profit of 2,600. So now you've converted your $500 to 2,600. So that's very easy to do, to realize $10 in the scalping strategy of the 5-minute block, and you can see you can get more than 500% return per year. Okay. Yeah, we wish you all the best. Go ahead. You can email me. The email's in the PDF, and definitely, we can train you one on one also. We just like to share. We want traders to beat the game. We want, to flip the zero sum game around those big guys. So definitely, this would be a good strategy to explore, do your own diligence and see. Just to let you know, I said we're a data science developing quant algos. We'll be coming up with many other free ideas for you. However, we have an alert service that really rides large trends, swing trading. Uh, we just trade 4 or 5 stocks, highly liquid. You get 4 or 5 trades per month, and holding time is 1 to 2 weeks. You spend 5, 10 minutes, executing the trade, and then we send an alert when to, yeah, stop the trade and take profits, and you spend another 5, 10 minutes. So that's releasing soon. We'll keep you posted on that. Uh, Thank you very much. Wish you highly profitable trading, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, share it with your friends and write a comment, good or bad. We love, critical comments, because we love to improve. So please do subscribe, and share this channel with your friends and family. Thank you. Have a nice day, everybody, and wish you profitable trading. Take care.